going on, guys?
Oh, over there?
What's going on around here?
There's been massive homicide next door. There's some children that's been killed. It's terrible. I don't even know what to think.
Well, is the guy gone?
I don't know. He said he was gone, but I don't think he's gone. He's very creepy. He's about 25. Dude, what the fuck am I supposed to do? He has a pirate bag.
It's okay, get a hold of yourself. You say he's got a pirate bag?
You would actually do this. Like, do it now? Okay. Say on.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's the killer! Run! It's okay. He's getting closer.
It's okay while he's fine. Okay, guys, what's happening now?
Okay, we were running, and he got us little, and what happened to you? I broke my ankle. And he sawed it off. It was so terrible. Are you bleeding?
Where is he now?
Oh, it's okay. Help me. He ran into the forest. I don't know where he went. It's okay.
Well, where do you think he is?
I think he's hiding there.
Maybe we should hide before he comes back.
He's coming. You're breaking my leg. I don't know.
Okay, so her leg is broken. How is she? Like, can she stand?
Well, she's trying to. It's hurting a little, but just a minor fracture, bone sticking out.
Well, maybe he's gone. Don't even worry about it.
I think he's gone. No, he's gone. He's never coming back. Never coming back to this neighborhood. I hate him. I think he's done too many crimes to want to come back here. Oh no! We can get away on this! Come on, we'll get away. We're going. Hurry! Go! I gotta pay. I can't find Shannon. I don't know where she went. I'm so scared. Oh my god, is this full?
Okay, go.
Shannon! No! What are you doing? Run! What are you doing? You freaking maniac! No! No! Don't do it!
Yeah, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Ha ha ha!